Alright, it's good now.
Make it work. Okay, so today we're going to be investigating the different types of soil and how they hold water. So what do you guys think will happen if I pour a half a cup of water into this plant?
It might die.
Might die?
Because it has too much water.
Too much water?
Too less.
Not enough water?
Yeah.
Any other predictions?
It's gonna get wet.
It's going to get wet? Allie?
Yeah, obviously.
Natural sunlight, stuff like that. Any other predictions? Yep.
It might get healthier.
Healthier? Alright. So what I'm gonna do is pour half a cup. Is that what like half a cup does or what? That?
Yeah.
So, when I pour the water in, I want you guys to see how it drains, because it's going to come through this bottom part right here. So look at the coloring, what comes out, stuff like that, okay?
It doesn't drain that well. It takes a while.
Uh-oh. It's not draining.
It's not draining.
That looks a lot like half a cup. That looks a lot like half a cup.
It did what, Mariah?
It sucked all of it in.
I wonder if we added one half more cup.
Put
Extra
one,
then.
another half cup.
Yeah, now
Is
it's
it
coming
coming
out.
out?
Let's add another half.
Gap in the bottom.
It was really dry.
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to come out.
What's a half and a half? 2 half cups.
A whole cup. So we're putting a whole cup of water.
It's coming out over here.
It's coming out.
Oh.
It looks kind of weird though.
It looks brown.
Yeah. It looks like it's like yellow. It's
Yeah.
Looks like lemonade. Or something.
The color of urine.
Like oil?
It
Yeah.
looks like the color of urine.
With water?
Can you repeat that?
It's like soil and water are mixing together and then they're coming out.
It's making it look brown. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how much water
Oh.
Oh my god.
came back out.
That's just so gross.
So we put, yeah. How much water do you guys think?
Half a cup. That
Half a
much.
cup?
Quarter.
So about like a quarter or half a cup?
Maybe like 3/4 of a cup. Maybe 3/4 of a cup. 1/4.
Maybe 1/5.
Well, this already has water.
Half a
This has-
cup because you poured 2 cups in.
We poured 1 cup in. There's 1 cup we put in.
If
Okay.
you poured 2 half a cups, then maybe if some of it came out, it would be
I think maybe a little more than a third.
A third.
Let's see.
Alright, let's see.
or about a 4.
You have to kind of bend it.
Yeah, I think a 4. It looks like apple juice. It looks like apple juice. Yeah, it looks like apple cider. It looks like apple
So it looks like it's about a third, yeah. Just under half a
It's just
cup.
a little more. Yay, I got it right.
Me too.
Okay.
Good for you.
So what do you think happened to the like 2/3 cup of water that didn't come through?
Got soaked into the thing.
Got soaked into the plant? Yeah.
It got soaked into the plant so that the leaves can create their food. It makes sugar.
Talking about photosynthesis.
But yeah. So you guys think that it got absorbed by the roots of the plant?
Yeah,
The
but
soil?
it's still coming out.
Yeah, just a little. It takes a while. Okay, so
Dump it in the water.
what you guys are going to do, what I want to know is, how do you think that these different types of soil will respond to pouring water in it?
I think sand, it would get like mushy.
It would get mushy and then it would get hard. It would come together. It would like the rocks would just be rocks.
It would just kind of get wet a little.
clay would just get wet.
It'd make it look
no,
wet.
no,
clay would get sticky.
The water would break down the clay and then it would start getting mixed together.
And it would start.
Yes, ma'am.
I think what would happen when you poured the water on the clay, it would start to get sticky because that's what it does when water.
Are you gonna put the water in it?
Yeah, so what you guys are going to do, I'm going to demonstrate the first model, which you're going to do for every single one of the soils. So, you're going to get a coffee filter and a jar. You're going to put it on top and make sure that you have a little bit of an indent so that when you put the soil in, it has a place to stay. And you're going to take a rubber band so that it's secured tightly around the jar. And if you have to, double wrap it. And you're going to take one scoop, we'll do gravel first, of the soil.
Wait, but isn't the water gonna break through?
Now it's a coffee filter, so it'll just filter through. So take 1 cup of the soil, and we're doing half a cup, right?
Quarter.
A quarter of a cup. So that's
What, a 4?
the bottom line, the first line that you see.
Mr. Ben, can we put that on the tray just in case there's any spilling?
That's probably a good idea.
Now it's very important to know to pour it slowly, because if you pour all of it at once, it's all just going to overflow. Alright, so let's look at what happens.
Oh, it's filtering fast.
It's a good observation.
Oh, look, it's spilling to the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, it's filtering fast because the rocks are all breaked up into pieces.
No, they're not
It's
up
like-
yet.
It's
Because they're going to
You've got some good theories.
Through the rock?
No, it's
going
going
in the air gap.
It's going in
Oh.
the spaces.
Air gap.
But and the water that gets stuck on the rock is very
The rocks help not to overflow things. The rocks.
Sand we just turned mushy, wash away. No, it's all over the ocean.
Mariah, did you want to say something since your hand is up?
Not that sand.
It's like a grayish yellow color because from the rocks, they might have dirt on it or something, and it might go through and it would make that color, and or it's just the rocks that got that rubbed together and made like a powder and went through.
It's a good observation.
So
Okay.
are we gonna put all the things in the dump?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is what the dump cups
And then
for.
we're gonna see what it looks like.
So after you pour all the water through, you're gonna very carefully take the rubber band off. And there's trash cans that are around the room, and you're going to just wrap up the coffee filter and chuck it in the trash can, okay?
What? That's just place this on.
What observations are we recording?
That's fine.
Yes. So each group is gonna get a lab sheet with the questions. What happens when the water is poured? And what does the soil sample look, feel, and smell like after the water has been poured? So as a group, you're gonna discuss these questions and write your answers down in the little boxes. And there's gonna be one recorder per group, okay?
Not me.
Okay, so after you throw away the soil, you're gonna take your measuring cup again, and you're gonna pour the water.
No, no clean water this time. That's dump. That's dump cup.
We're not measuring what's left over.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. You were right. I should not talk.
So you're gonna pour the leftover water back into the cup to see how much water is left. So how much water is about?
All of it.
About 1/4. So about all the water went through.
Mr. Ben, are they going to record that on their recording sheet? Is there anywhere to do that? Maybe some...
You can just under where, like in the box where it says sample A.
Or it could be what happens to
What
the water when it
happens to
pours
water,
through.
right. Okay.
That's how much
Yeah.
is left.
So that's where you will write the measure before and after. Okay.
But
And
I heard you guys talk about how it went through. You said it just like drained really quickly through.
Right, all those things. you
The
wanna
clay
see on
wouldn't
your-
drain quick. It wouldn't.
It would
drain
just like
quickly.
turn dry.
That's a good
Mhm.
prediction.
It would get really heavy.
Did it
This
change
was
color? Did it change color or did it stay clear?
The water changed color.
color.
a little bit.
You'd have,
Just a
you'd have to
little.
look up close.
Okay.
Teeny, teeny, teeny,
And then
tiny
after you're done, you're gonna take the water and pour it into the dump cup. Okay? So every group should have the same supplies and a recording sheet. So when you go back to your groups, you need someone to be a designated recorder, and you need someone to go and take this cup and fill it with water. Okay? And then come back. Everyone understand or have any questions? Okay.
Yes, we understand.
It just keeps raining.
Get the trash. Noah, you're the trash taker. Yeah, you're the dump.
I got it.
So far, what do you guys think is the best filter for the soil?
I'm clay.
Do you think clay is topsoil? Topsoil.
Clay's hard to get out of your fingers. Throw it away, I'll dump it in the dump. Sand.
You think sand?
No, it might not. It's in your hands. Stay in your hands.
Feels like the beach, right?
If you want to.
It smells like how much it drains.
Has anything surprised you guys so far?
It drains so fast.
How fast it drains?
Yeah, it drains faster than we thought. Yeah.
Faster than you guys thought it would?
But the clay can put in a lot of water and it's gonna stop draining.
Yep.
That's it.
Just rinse it out in the sink.
Well, now, because you said Berkeley, you're not allowed to put that.
Like barf? I mean, if it smells bad, yeah. Just observing.